Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy tea at home. First, selecting the right tea leaves is crucial for a delicious cup. Opt for high-quality loose-leaf varieties over tea bags whenever possible, as they offer a richer and more nuanced flavor profile. Next, pay attention to your water. Fresh, filtered water makes a significant difference, ensuring your tea's true taste shines through without any off notes. Finally, heating your water to the correct temperature is key for different tea types. Once your water is ready, it's time to steep. A good rule of thumb is to use 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea for every 8 ounces of water. Place your tea in an infuser or directly into the pot. Steeping time is vital. Generally, 2 to 5 minutes is ideal, but check specific tea instructions. Be careful not to oversteep, as this can release tannins that make your tea taste bitter. A timer can be your best friend here. Now for the fun part, customizing your tea. If you prefer a sweeter brew, consider adding a touch of honey, maple syrup, or a natural sugar substitute. For an aromatic twist, a fresh lemon slice, a sprig of mint, or a few ginger pieces can elevate the experience. If you enjoy a creamier beverage, a splash of milk or a dairy-free alternative can add a lovely richness. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your perfect blend. Finally, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Pour your perfectly brewed tea into your favorite mug, take a deep breath, and savor the comforting warmth and delightful aroma. This simple ritual can be a wonderful moment of peace in your day. Remember, the best tea is the one you enjoy most. Also, if you're looking to streamline your kitchen, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.